Today I am reviewing Acer Aspire 15 Slim laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a reliable, sleek, and portable laptop for work, study, or entertainment, the Acer Aspire 15 Slim AG15-32P-39R2 is a device worth exploring. This laptop combines powerful performance, modern design, and smart features in a compact package, making it ideal for students, professionals, and casual users alike. At the heart of this laptop lies the 8-core Intel Core 3 N355 processor, which delivers smooth multitasking for everyday tasks. Whether you're browsing the web, running productivity apps, or streaming videos, the performance is responsive and seamless. Coupled with 8GB of DDR5 RAM and 128GB of fast UFS storage, this laptop ensures quick app launches, efficient multitasking, and ample space for essential files and documents. Windows 11 Home in S mode brings a modern, intuitive interface with AI Copilot integration, helping you navigate tasks faster and stay organized. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is another standout feature. With sharp 1080p resolution and wide viewing angles, it provides an immersive experience for everything from watching movies to attending online classes. Acer's BluelightShield technology also protects your eyes during extended use, making long study or work sessions much more comfortable. The slim bezel design adds a premium touch while maximizing your screen space, giving you a modern look without bulk. Portability is where this laptop truly shines. Weighing just 3.8 pounds and with a slim 0.78-inch profile, it easily fits into backpacks and travel bags. Connectivity options are robust, featuring dual USB Type-C ports, USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 2.1, and Wi-Fi 6 support, ensuring fast and reliable connections whether you're streaming, gaming lightly, or attending video calls. Speaking of video calls, the 720p HD camera with Acer TNR technology provides clear visuals even in low-light conditions, and Acer Purified Voice with AI noise reduction ensures your voice comes through clearly on every call. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 12.5 hours of use, meaning you can work or study on the go without constantly worrying about charging. Plus, Acer's eco-friendly approach ensures that this laptop is not just powerful, but also responsible, with 30% recycled materials in the back cover and fully recyclable packaging. For users who need a combination of performance, portability, and a vibrant display in a modern package, the Acer Aspire 15 Slim AG15-32P-39R2 ticks all the boxes. It is versatile enough for daily productivity, streaming, casual gaming, and creative tasks, all while remaining lightweight and stylish. In conclusion, whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this Acer laptop offers a smooth and reliable experience with a balance of power, portability, and intelligent features. With its Intel Core 3 N355 processor, 8GB DDR5 RAM, 15.6 FHD IPS Display, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, it is a solid choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, future-ready laptop at an affordable price.